Good morning, Coryell's class.
Good morning, Mr. Pottinger.
Today we finished converting fractions and decimals using place value. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we talked about fractions and all of these different parts of a fraction, right?
Yes.
We talked about decimals and all of these different parts of a decimal, right?
Yes.
What do we notice between fractions and decimals?
They are the same.
They literally have the exact same definition, right?
Yes.
So a fraction is the exact same thing as a decimal, right?
Yes.
They just look different when you write them. Convert means to
Change.
All right, quick review. Powers of 10. If we're multiplying by a number that is a power of 10, we can bunny hop to the right, right?
Yes.
You always go to the right. So if we're multiplying by a power of 10, we bunny hop one spot because 10 has how many zeros?
1.
This one has 3 zeros because it's 1,000, right?
Yes.
1,000 is a power of 10?
Yes.
So we bunny hop 3 spots.
Yes.
10 to the power of 3, how many zeros?
3.
So we bunny hop 3 spots, right?
Yes.
But we learned that if you divide by a power of 10, we could also bunny hop, yes?
Yes.
However, our bunny hop doesn't go right, it goes to the
Left.
So if we divide by 10, which is a power of 10, we just go one spot because there's 1 0 there, yes?
Yes.
If we divide by 10 to the power of 3, we go left because it's division, and we go 3 spots, yes?
Yes.
Either of these ways is acceptable, yes?
Yes.
Except for we probably aren't going to say 0 and 6800s. We're just going to say 6800s, which is going to help us with our next part. Everybody on the count of 3, read this fraction. 1, 2, 3.
3 tenths.
Everybody on the count of 3, read this decimal. 1, 2, 3.
3 tenths.
If you have a fraction with a power of 10 in the denominator, you can just say the decimal the same exact way, right?
Yes.
They sound the same. Does this fraction have a denominator that has a power of 10?
Yes.
So if we say 9 hundredths as our fraction, we would write the decimal as 9.
Hundredths.
The 9 is in the hundreds place, so we'd say 9 hundredths, yes?
Yes.
This is a mixed number. The mixed number is 2 and 1/10. Again, the fraction has a power of 10 in the denominator, yeah?
Yeah.
So say this on the count of 3 again. 1, 2, 3.
2 and 1/10.
Say this on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
2 and 1/10.
On the flip side, if I give you the decimal, can you say and write the fraction?
Yes.
Say this decimal.
3 tenths.
Say this fraction.
3 tenths.
It doesn't matter what the decimal is. If you can say the decimal, you can write the fraction. Say this decimal. 1, 2, 3, go.
4 thousandths.
The 4 is in the thousands place, right?
Yes.
So we would write the fraction as 4 over 1.
Thousand.
We cool, you guys?
Yes.